Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be unboxing a portable scale that you can use to weigh your items. Now this was bought from eBay. It originally was $5.69, but eBay had a special offer where they took it off basically. So I only paid basically $0. So this was basically free. Let's get opening this with my trusty scissors. I usually use my knife, but scissors are pretty good for this one. So we've got basic satchel packaging here, which is for a lot of items from eBay. We've also got some bubble wrap, so that's good to have your item protected as well. Some simple sticky tape here. So we've got the scale here, and it's got a hook where you can attach your luggage. So it's quite nice. I mean, the size of this is pretty, like for comparison, my palm of hand, it fits in, even fits in like there. It's pretty handheld. It's about 8.5 centimeters in length. The width, it's about 5 centimeters, and then around here 1.5 centimeters. So pretty portable. I think it does require, yes, it does require batteries, so I will be putting those in. Just not sure. Okay, so this one can do up to about 50 kilos, 45. So guys, I'll be just right back. I'm going to put some batteries in. So guys, I put the batteries in. It will just require 2 AAA batteries, and I'm going to put this back. So here we go. I think I will have to configure it to kilos, yes. So it is detecting my pull. I'm going to actually go weigh my bag with my normal scale and this bag as well, so you'll be able to see what's happening. Okay, 2.9. You guys saw that. Alright, so now guys, I've got our units. Some power as well. Gonna go to unit kilos. I put it on. You have to hold on to it a bit. So 2.8. Yeah. Okay. So this one is much more exact than the one that I had with the ordinary scale. Ordinary scale was 2.9 or 2.8 or 2.7. This one goes to basically your nearest gram. So it's pretty nice. Although the hook could be more strong, especially if you're wearing luggage, because it seems like it could break, but maybe it couldn't. So yeah, that's the demo video. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.